Hello, little explorers! Welcome back to the Learning Zoo. Are you ready for our biggest adventure yet? Yes, we're going on an animal adventure. We'll travel to the jungle, splash into the ocean, visit the farm, and even explore icy lands. Wow! Can you clap your hands 3 times with me? 1, 2, 3. Adventure time! Now, let's visit the farm. On the farm, animals help people, give us food, and love to play in the fields. Are you ready to guess them with me? Let's go! Big, gentle animal, gives milk, loves munching grass all day in the fields? Who could this be? Exactly, the cow! Strong and fast, loves running in the fields, can pull carts or carry riders? Who could this be? Exactly, the horse! Covered in fluffy wool, loves to stay with the flock, munches on grass? Who could this be? Exactly, the sheep! Small and bouncy, loves climbing and nibbling everything, even shoes and paper. Who could this be? Exactly, the goat! Chubby and pink, loves rolling in the mud, and has a snout for sniffing snacks. Who could this be? Exactly, the pig! Small bird that scratches the ground, lays eggs, and clucks around the yard? Who could this be? Exactly, the chicken! Wakes everyone up early in the morning, has colorful feathers, and stands tall on the fence? Who could this be? Strong and helpful, carries heavy loads, has long ears and makes funny sounds. Who could this be? Exactly, the donkey. Faithful friend on the farm, barks loudly, protects the animals, and loves to play. Who could this be? Exactly, the dog. Big bird with fancy feathers, makes silly sounds, and struts proudly around the yard. Who could this be? Exactly, the turkey. Soft and quick, hops around the barnyard, loves nibbling on carrots and greens. Who could this be? Exactly, the rabbit. Tiny and sneaky, loves hiding in barns, always looking for a piece of cheese. Who could this be? Exactly, the mouse. A bird with the fanciest tail, full of bright colors, loves showing off to everyone. Who could this be? Exactly, the peacock. Let's remember all the animals we met on the farm. Say them with me nice and loud. Cow, horse, sheep, goat, pig, chicken, rooster, duck, goose, donkey, cat, dog, turkey, rabbit, mouse, peacock. Wow, that's a busy, happy farm with so many wonderful animals. Congratulations! Now, let's go on an adventure into the wild. Here, we'll meet animals that live in forests, jungles, deserts, and even the ocean. Are you ready to guess them with me? Let's go! This giant has a long trunk, big ears, and loves splashing in water. Who could this be? Exactly, the elephant. This wild cat is called the king of the jungle. It has a golden mane and a loud roar. Who could this be? Exactly, the lion. This big cat has orange fur with black stripes and is strong and fast. Who could this be? Exactly, the tiger. This animal loves swinging from trees and eating bananas. Who could this be? Exactly, the monkey. This big animal has thick fur, loves honey, and can sleep all winter. Who could this be? Exactly, the bear. This wild dog howls at the moon and lives in a pack. Who could this be? Exactly, the wolf. This clever animal has red fur, a bushy tail, and is very sneaky. Who could this be? Exactly, the fox. This tall animal has a super long neck to reach the highest leaves on trees. Who could this be? Exactly, the giraffe. This animal looks like a horse, but has black and white stripes all over. Who could this be? Exactly, the zebra. This animal from Australia hops on big legs and carries its baby in a pouch. Who could this be? Exactly, the kangaroo. This small, fluffy animal has long ears and loves nibbling carrots. Who could this be? Exactly, the rabbit. This gentle animal lives in the forest, and the males grow big antlers. Who could this be? Exactly, the deer. This black and white bird can't fly, but waddles on ice and swims really well. Who could this be? Exactly, the penguin. This big white bear lives in the cold Arctic and loves to swim in icy water. Who could this be? Exactly, the polar bear. This smart sea animal jumps out of the water and loves to play. Who could this be? Exactly, the dolphin. This little sea creature has claws and walks sideways on the beach. Who could this be? Exactly, the crab. This ocean animal has 8 long arms and can squirt ink to hide. Who could this be? Exactly, the octopus. This animal swims in the sea, with flippers and has a hard shell on its back. Who could this be? Exactly, the sea turtle. This little green animal hops around and loves to sit by the pond. Who could this be? Exactly, the frog. This animal has no legs, slides on the ground, and can hide in the grass. Who could this be? Exactly, the snake. This little flying animal sleeps upside down and comes out at night. Who could this be? Exactly, the bat. Let's remember all the wild animals we met today. Say them with me nice and loud. Elephant, lion, tiger, monkey, bear, wolf, fox, giraffe, zebra, kangaroo, rabbit, deer, penguin, polar bear, camel, dolphin, crab, octopus, sea turtle, owl, parrot, frog, snake, bat. Wow, that's a wild, exciting adventure with so many amazing animals. Congratulations! Wow, friends! What an amazing adventure we had today! We met so many animals, some wild, some from the farm, and you guessed them all so cleverly. Give yourself a big clap! Yay! Animals make the world exciting, colorful, and full of fun. They hop, fly, swim, climb, and gallop, just like in our big adventure today. Before we go, let's do something silly together. Can you wave your arms like a bird flapping its wings? Flap, flap, flap. Now, can you wiggle your nose like a little bunny? Wiggle, wiggle. And give a big roar like a lion. Roar! Haha, that was so funny! Thank you for learning and playing with me, explorers. You did such an awesome job. Now wave goodbye with a big smile. Bye-bye, little explorers. See you next time at the Learning Zoo.